Yes. Okay. First thing when you open your motor engine like this in the morning, come out the engine, clean am, gauge am, make sure say e dey full.
Yes.
Second is the water.
Yeah.
Check the water. If you know dey, you add water.
Add water. And you check the reservoir.
What's this?
Reservoir.
Reservoir water.
Water. Yes.
Okay, what?
This one is getting low. Now this one will fill am down.
Okay, but water must dey here too.
Must dey here. But
Okay.
this one no dey full. See,
You go put am in case this one you dey dry for journey and this one no dey dry. This one go dey add am back.
Yes.
Okay.
See the full here.
Okay, na here e dey. Na here. You no dey pass here.
You no dey pass here.
Okay. If you pass there, wetin go happen?
You go do overheating.
Overheat.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we don check how many things now.
We don check 1, 2. Yes, 1, 2. This na the water.
Na 2. The third one, the brake oil.
This is brake oil. This one na brake oil.
The edge here.
This place na be the gauge here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So the fourth one, power steering oil.
This is power steering oil.
See the gauge here.
The gauge na here. Okay. So with engine oil, water and the reservoir, brake oil, power steering oil.
Yes.
This one na to make the steering dey smooth.
Yes, to make am dey soft.
Soft. What about this one?
To make the brake to hard.
To the sharp, to catch. Okay. Okay.
So let's go to the engine part now.
Okay.
So see this one now. Sir,
This place.
wetin e mean?
This one no be radiator.
No.
Okay.
See now through the power steering oil.
Okay. This na power steering. This one na oil of the steering. Yes. Yes. This one na.
This one na be the pump. Power steering
Okay.
pump.
Power steering pump. The
When
oil.
the pump go to the steering rack.
If you collect the oil from here, now you go push and go steering.
Go steering.
Okay.
We make the steering dey soft.
Okay.
So see this one, alternator.
This is alternator.
See say get wire for yansh.
Yes, you get wire.
So na the alternator na dey charge the battery.
This alternator now, now they charge this battery.
Yes.
Okay. Why this pump? Now they pump oil go the steering.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
All this one plug wire.
Okay. So na 4 plug. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Plug wire. This one na coil.
Where?
Coil.
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 Okay. Coil.
Yes.
Okay.
That's inflation coil.
Ignition.
Coil.
Ignition that's key.
Key. Once you open the key,
Yes.
the current will come here.
Okay.
Once you turn am, the current will supply to the plug.
Plug.
The engine will start.
Okay. Okay.
See this one. This one na for the gear.
This is gear. Gear 1, gear 2,
No.
gear 3.
The gear oil.
Okay. Gear oil.
Yeah.
So we don't count oil, water, brake oil, power steering oil, then gear oil.
Gear oil.
Okay.
If you want to check this one, you have to start
I have to start the motor first.
before you come and remove this thing.
Okay.
And you clean the first oil. Put
Okay.
it back. So the point at the hub na be the gauge. If
Okay.
it's below the upper point.
But
that
the way
means
this one get mark of gauge, this one might get mark.
they get mark.
Okay, if I clean am, the point for up, now be gauge, but the car
Yes.
must they start first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir.
You almost resemble this one.
Let me clean this. You see the point for up.
Okay, this point, yes.
Na be the gauge.
Yes.
But if you no start am, e go over.
Okay. Okay, if I know start am now, you go too plenty.
See where e reach.
Yes, but normally na here it's supposed to reach.
Na here so to reach.
So now until you start am,
You start am so e go suck inside. So the remaining one na
now be the main gauge.
the main gauge.
For gear, for steering, no, for gear, for brake, for steering. But some motor wey be say this thing, they change their anchor. What if na this one can go dey here? I be no possible.
You go know, e possible now.
Okay, I be they go write am.
Dem go write am now.
Okay, so na power steering.
Power steering.
Okay. Okay, they go write am for their cover. So na brake oil. So na engine oil, water, and gear oil. The oil is plenty.
If you want to add oil to the engine, na through the side.
Oh, oil, the engine man dey put oil.
Na the oil na im be this one.
Okay, this one. Okay, no be here you go put am. Na here you go open. Just the way you go open here, put water.
Yes.
Open here, put the oil. Open here. Okay, now here they open.
Yes.
Pour. Now that AZ
AZ
oil, that 1 liter or total.
4 liter. Anyone you can put.
Okay, now 4 liter they buy.
4 liter.
Okay, now our J now they put 1 liter.
1 liter.
Okay.
So if say na gear, na 2 year dem put am.
Now through here direct. But nobody say oil they use all of them get. Now different oil.
Different oil. Engine oil different with power steering oil. Brake oil itself different with
Engine oil.
engine oil.
Engine oil might deal with gear oil.
This one with the gear oil.
Are the same thing. But steering oil and gear oil, same, are the same thing. But engine oil is
For only
different.
automatic.
Brake, okay, for only automatic.
Manual will dey different. Manual gear oil dey different.
Okay, for manual, this oil of the steering and the oil of the gear is different.
It's different.
But for automatic, the gear and the steering carry the same oil.
The same oil.
Now all automatic.
All automatic.
Okay, noted. Noted.
So the engine part now, this plug wire.
This plug wire,
This cover. This
Yes.
we call it valve cover or cylinder cover.
cylinder cover or
Valve cover.
fab. Fab
This is the cylinder under.
cylinder. Okay,
So after
fab
the cylinder,
Yes.
and the main block engine.
block engine after the cylinder.
Okay. So this one, silencer manifold.
Silencer
Manifold.
manifold. Silencer manifold.
This one, ejector.
Ejector.
This
Ejector.
one, touch cable.
Tape vroom vroom vroom
Yes,
vroom
yes.
vroom. But you no get oil, ba?
No gear oil.
Okay, turtle cable.
This one, air filter.
Air filter.
Fuse box.
Fuse. Wetin dey there? here?
Now fuse. Dey there.
Okay, fuse.
In case the two wire join themselves, instead of the wire to burn,
To burn,
the
we come
fuse go
disconnect.
cut, they go disconnect.
Fuse box. What you call it again?
Air filter.
Air filter.
Mm.
Okay.
So this battery,
Battery.
this one and the positive.
Yes.
Positive wire now go to the kick.
Kick. Okay.
So the negative wire now go to the heart.
Okay. This negative go to earth, which
go
is
to the
black in color.
Black in color.
The red, which is positive, goes to the
kick.
kick. Where the kick there for the engine?
E dey under here.
Okay. Okay. This
You
one
can't
there.
see, dey
Okay.
under. So those wire now you can't miss it.
Okay. You cannot say, okay, ma put this one for here, ma put this one for here.
If you go
Okay.
do am like that,
You go burn something.
burn the brain box.
Brain box
Yes. And at the brain box, na the supply current
to all
the
the to the car.
Yes. So once the brain box don burn,
Okay.
the engine cannot start. until
Okay.
dem change the
But if I
brain
wake up in the morning too, am I still going to check all these things?
box. Every day,
Or
check it.
the first one where you talk, say, ma check this one first. What if I dey in the house, my wife won't born now, my wife get belle, and they are the rush, I will check this one
You check am, make you no go disappoint you on the
for road.
Yeah.
Check this one.
So you know the condition of
Check
the car,
this one.
everything is okay.
This engine oil, this water, this is the reservoir for the water.
Yeah.
This gear oil.
Yeah.
This is brake oil.
Brake oil.
Brake oil. This is power steering oil. Okay. Turtle. Okay. Turtle cable. Okay. Air filter.
Yeah.
Fuse.
This box.
Fuse box. Okay. Cylinder.
Yeah. Cylinder cover.
Cylinder cover.
Manifold.
Eh?
Silencer manifold.
Silencer. Might just call it silencer manifold. Silencer.
No, silencer na dey under.
Under.
Okay. This one na be manifold.
Okay.
Power steering pump.
Power steering pump. Power steering oil.
This alternator.
Alternator.
Charging the battery.
Charging battery. Alternator. Alternator. Charging this battery. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, let's go to the.
Okay.